My name is Janny Chu and I'm the founder of Mosaic Art Studio. We already started this business 5 years plus. We're actually the first unit in Plaza, Arkadia. When we start, there are very less students, but we are glad that there are many children and parents that support us from day one till now. When the third year, we are starting to grow, to expand, then pandemic kicks in. A very tough thing is we have to pay rental and we never cut any single cent of the teacher salary. We have to dig my own saving, and luckily we get support from bank loans to get us been through just to survive. I have totally 5 months closed down this shop off. Yeah, stay at home. So the reason why I started this business is actually I'm having an experience of teaching since I was 18, and from there I actually realized that I'm quite passionate in teaching children and love interaction with them. I want our children to learn art, like to see the world through making art piece, but not just only academic wise. So because from my previous experience that teaching tuition for the kids, the only goal for the parents is you have to get A. But for what we think, for what my belief is, art is actually life. So right now we have a very happy thing to share is we are finally moving to a bigger space. So this is our new shop and we have a very long shop front for this time. And let me show you where is our entrance. So the entrance will be here. This is our entrance and our counter will be there. So at the front here, there will be a waiting zone for the parents. And this is where the library. So now we have classroom. We have classroom number 1, classroom 2 and 3. And here will be our event space. This round shape is specially custom because we need more space for event planning in the future. This is 2 of our classroom. We actually do a very special design where there will be a sliding door at the middle and where we can open up and combine 2 classrooms in one. So something very special in this new studio is we finally crafted event space like corporate event or birthday party where at the back. So that has a very nice view there. You can have the full view of Plaza Arkadia, fountain and trees. So the corporate team building can be having at here as well. Yeah, so you can have a look on upstairs where this is the structure for our mezzanine floor where will be the office of myself and our teacher. So this is where we will do our teacher training upstairs as well.